guys, today I'm going to talk to you about my Sparkfun project. Now my Sparkfun project is called the Collider Light, and basically what it is I use an RGB light and each one is something else on the screen, and when you push different buttons, the RGB turns different colors, and then the LCD screen projects what color it is. Basically, say the client for this product would really be kids who are trying to learn colors, different colors. So let's take a look at my project. So here is my board, my project. What the hell? Okay. So here's my board. So basically what we see here is that when we press the red button, the light turns red, green button, the light turns green, and the LCD projects green, and then blue both buttons, the light turns blue and the LCD projects blue. So basically the basic setup is for the light, I used 30 ohm resistors that connected the light to the jumper wires that connected to the light to the breadboard, and then there's a ground in the middle of these these resistor cables that connects the light to ground, and then there's the light, and then there's the buttons. So each button has a 330 ohm resistor, and that connects it to the power, and then they also have jumper wires that connect it to ground, and also a jumper wire that connects it to the breadboard, to ports 2 and 3. And then we come to the LCD, which is like the biggest part of this. And the LCD actually has several jumper wires that are spread out through it, which makes it sort of a mess. So the first two jumper wires connect the LCD to the power and ground on the breadboard, and then the next one connects it to the potentiometer, so you can adjust the contrast on the screen so you can see what's projected on it. Then what else? Then it connects again to the power, and ground in the breadboard, and then it connects to the breadboard. And basically it connects to the breadboard at pin 13, 12, and then 7, 8, and 5. And then the potentiometer connects to the ground and the power in the breadboard. So since there's like a ton of wires here, I decided to use the whole board, and basically instead of running another power to the other half of the board, I just used a wire to connect the bottom half of the board to the top. So here's the code, and the code basically says that the pins that are used for the RGB buttons and the LCD. Then we set up the button pins as inputs and the RGB as outputs, and then we set up the LCD to project 10 characters in one row, which is like the most amount of characters that we have in this code. Then I decided to have a welcome statement, and then the next thing is I used if-else statements with the buzzer 1 and 2 states to tell the program when to turn the light red, green, and blue, and then project it on the LCD. So that's the basic.